Over the past decade, the income of the average household actually declined, and we lost as many jobs as we created. Property crimes declined by over 6%. VP says to him, well, you know what, your sales don't seem to have declined.
We'd gone through almost a decade in which job growth had been sluggish, incomes had declined, costs were going up, all culminating in the financial system coming close to a breakdown.
And your campaign and the White House have declined to condemn an ad by one of your top supporters that links Mr. Romney to a woman's death from cancer.
Sing the introduction, and he declined, but his leadership has been extraordinary.
Deaths from malaria has declined by over 50%. Infant mortality rates have...
That's the first time that they've declined together at the same time in more than 40 years. Of the 69 public health service officers, like Dr. Chertow and Captain Edwards, who were chosen for this mission, not a single one declined. I declined, but was extraordinarily grateful, and he forgave me, for which I was also grateful.